If you are tired of typing your Gmail email password but want to remain 100% secure, you can use this feature. It is an absolute truth that the security of our virtual information is as important as the personal information. However, it can be tedious to crack your password over and over again if you log in frequently from a computer that is shared with other people. The sign in with your phone instead of password feature, as the name suggests, allows you to log into any device without using the password. Just by tapping the screen of your personal phone, it is important to have the screen lock on. To configure it, you must do the following. First, if your phone is Android, download the Gmail app, then go to Device Settings and tap Google. Then under Manage Google Account and under Security, enter where it says Use your phone to access. Go ahead to configure. You may be asked to log in again. It informs you that you need to have a screen lock enabled to prevent anyone else from accessing your account. Continue to Next and confirm screen lock. Confirm the pattern you set on your device and finally answer yes to the question, are you trying to access it from another device? Then activate and ready. When you select a phone to log in, choose the one you normally use and usually bring with you. Avoid using old or shared devices that you usually leave at home or at work. After you have set up this function, you will be prompted for a reminder when you sign in with your electric email address or phone number, asking you to check your phone. Unlock your phone and in the message, are you trying to log in? Touch yes. The device you want to sign in will give you a 2-digit number that you must confirm from your phone. This function will allow you to earn this time and your Gmail information and emails will remain completely secure. Make your everyday life more productive.